Are you of African, Caribbean, or Afro-Latino heritage living in Ghana? Then the Ghana Business Alliance for the Diaspora is your gateway to something bigger, a powerful community built to help you turn ideas into real businesses, smart investments, and long-term opportunities. As a member, you don't just join, you grow. We help promote your business, attract new customers, and guide you step by step as you start or scale with confidence. This is more than networking. It's a results-driven ecosystem designed for real success. You'll connect with students, professionals, and entrepreneurs across over 70 industries, giving you access to credible partners, valuable market insights, and practical support to move forward with clarity. Even better, you can take part in profitable collaborations and group projects that expand your reach beyond Ghana, helping build businesses across Africa with opportunities that may include equity and consistent monthly income. Visit joingbe.com, go to associations, find the Ghana Business Alliance for the Diaspora, and step into a community where vision meets opportunity.